Sleep apnea is a condition in which your breathing repeatedly pauses while you sleep. When this happens, your body wakes up to resume breathing. These multiple sleep interruptions prevent you from sleeping well, leaving you feeling extra tired during the day. When left untreated, it can contribute to heart disease, diabetes, and other long-term health risks such as high blood pressure, weight gain, adult asthma, and shortened lifespan. No more CPAP machine to treat sleep apnea, because it may cause mask leaks, uncomfortable straps and headgear, and restricted movement during sleep because of the CPAP apparatus. Studies show that only 23 to 45% of patients for whom CPAP is prescribed actually use the machine on a regular basis. Dentist-fitted oral appliance may be more cost-effective than CPAP devices. Most of the time, oral appliances are covered by medical insurance, including Medicare and Medicaid. Dental appliances are more like mouth guards. They are small, unencumbering devices you can easily travel with. So stop snoring now. Bring peace back to your bedroom. Book your free consultation today.